My view of what a smile means to me has changed over the years. You know, someone who hasn't seen the story behind that smile might just think, everybody's got a smile, no big deal. But until you get in the place that we're at and we see the story behind that smile, we see the emotions, the embarrassment, the fear, the lack of confidence behind that smile, you can't really appreciate what a beautiful, confident smile really is. And so I love to be able to chat with our patients, get to the bottom of what's causing them their issues, causing them their lack of confidence, causing them maybe even their embarrassment, and get them to a place that they're happy. It's one of the most rewarding things that I do in my life. The mission is simple: change people's lives. So when a patient comes to us with an issue, it makes me feel honored that they chose us as their dentist, but it also makes me excited to have such an impact in their lives. We see a wide variety of patients, and the issues that these patients face are small all the way to extremely extensive and extremely large problems. And that's what really sets our office apart from others, is that everything is done in-house. We take on some of the most difficult dental implant and cosmetic procedures, and we get our patients to a point that they're happy and confident again. There's very, very, very few offices where you can go and get dental implant procedures, bone grafting, veneers, sinus lifts, IV sedation, all in one place by one doctor. Every little detail goes into making our patients feel comfortable. Technology is huge for us in our office because with these larger cosmetic and dental implant procedures comes higher expectations and higher level of results that are required. And so that can't be done without the technology. I mean, if you name it, we've got it here. 3D x-rays, facial scanners, DSLR cameras, intraoral scanners. I mean, you name it, we got it. And with all this technology that we have in our office, it leads to more accurate, more efficient, and just overall better procedures and better outcomes. We know that what we've done is going to be something they think about every single meal, every single encounter with people, every single smile that they make, every single bit of food that they eat. So we want our impression to not stop when they leave the office, but continue on day after day as they live their lives. And that's why it's so important with what we do here, building beautiful, confident, functional smiles where people can smile and eat and do the things that they want to do, be in public and be confident when they do it. And so I made it a goal to create my own group, create offices that did live up to my standards, that treated patients right, that were forthcoming with the treatment that they were recommending, that were treating people like family members, that were treating their team members the way they should be treated. And so if you ever step foot into any of our offices with Morton Dental Group, you will feel a difference, and you will see a difference, and you will get treated like family members.